Hello everyone, it's Chef Ronnie coming from Change Plate. Today we're going to do a grain bowl. This is one of my favorite dishes because it's easy, and as the weather gets warmer, it's something that you can pack with you, have a picnic next to the lake. It's full of energy. You can use leftovers to make it. It's fairly simple, and you can customize it however you want. Any kind of grain you can pretty much use with this bowl, and legumes, so different kind of beans. Today I'm using an ancient blend. It has some quinoa in there, which is good in protein. I got beans. This is gonna be packed with protein, and I got avocados. It's just gonna be a nice dish. To start it off, we're gonna put the grains down first. I have it on a plate so you can kind of see everything that's in there, but with it being a grain bowl, I'm gonna build it in a bowl. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put my grains in there. That's gonna serve as my base. Then I'm gonna take some lettuce. You can use lettuce, spinach, kale, pretty much any leafy greens. I'm gonna use a little corn. I like to roast my corn, bring out the sweetness of the corn. It's better appeal, better flavor and taste. That's my opinion. I just think it's overall better to roast your corn. I have some tomatoes. And I mean, this is something that you're building however you want. There's no like set amount. It's just to your liking. We go with the avocados next. With the avocados, to keep them nice and pretty, I like to toss them in lemon juice. I don't like them to look all brown. I want everything to pop and the appeal to be there. So toss them in lemon juice, keep them from turning brown. Got my kidney beans. I have a quick salsa here. You can use pico. You can use pretty much whatever vegetable you want to do. I'm gonna finish it with some green onions. And like I said, this is it. Something easy, you can pack it. Ready to go. Thank you.